Hello, my name is Josiah Ray. I'm going to show you how to make a line on the top of your Microsoft Word document. So the first thing I'm going to do is I've got this Microsoft Word document open. It's just full of some placeholder text, and we're going to insert a header. So we've got a few different headers to choose from. I'm going to pick this one with the the horizontal bar. And I'm just going to select the text field and delete it. We'll close editing the header, and there you go. It's really, really easy to do, and it's really fast. You've now got this vertical bar at the top of your page. It can appear on each subsequent page if you would like. You can also open it back up and click on the bar, and you should be able to alter the formatting on the bar and change the color and stuff like that. I hope you've enjoyed this video on how to put a bar at the very top of your Microsoft Word document. I'm Josiah Ray.